Nicky.
Nicky, in the house.
Light it!
Yeah.
Logan said he's on his way, he's gonna miss out.
Well, we can do it again. Run, it's short.
He's gonna fucking get knocked in the back of the head.
Whoa! 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 Fuck! Ben!
Oh my god! We almost fucking died! I felt the wind go by my fucking face.
Between both of us!
When it hit the trash
Both
can.
of us!
Holy shit! Oh my god! Where the fuck did it go? This fucking piece flew right between mine and his fucking face, dude.